The Honda Civic Type R, the moment you see it, you feel the difference. This isn't just a hatchback. This is the most aggressive, track-ready Civic ever built. Look at that face, sharp LED eyes, a massive grille pulling air like a vacuum, and a stance that tells you, I'm built for speed. Walk around the car and every line has a purpose. The widened fenders, the low front lip, the red racing accents. Nothing is fake. Everything is functional, and the championship white paint, it hits different under the sun. This car doesn't shine. It glows, the wheels black alloys with that iconic red outline. Pure performance energy. Come to the back. This is where the Type R screams. A huge aerodynamic wing sitting like a crown, triple center, exhausts waiting to fire up, and LED taillights that slice through the night. When you stand behind it, you don't feel like you're behind a normal car. You feel like you're behind a small rocket. Now listen to this under the hood, a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine pushing insane horsepower, tuned tighter than ever, the throttle response, the turbo whistle, the downshift crackles. Everything feels like Honda built it for one purpose: make your heartbeat match the RPM. Step inside and it gets even better. Red bucket seats grip you like a racing harness. The steering wheel feels premium, textured, alive. You see that digital cluster light up with performance meters, shift lights, turbo pressure, everything screaming floor it. The gear shifter is pure metal, cold to the touch, telling you that you're driving a proper driver's machine, not an automatic toy. And the crazy part? Even at low speeds, this car gives attitude. That wide body look, those sharp angles, the aggressive stance. Everywhere you take it, heads turn. It doesn't matter if it's midnight streets or daytime city traffic. The Type R becomes the center of attention, but when the road clears, that's when it shows its real character. Instant pull, tight steering, razor-sharp corners, and a stability that feels unreal for a hatchback. It feels planted, confident, angry in the best way possible. This is the kind of car that makes every drive feel like a mini race. Fuel economy, not its priority, comfort, secondary, road presence and performance. Absolutely unmatched, the Civic Type R is not made for everyone. It's made for the people who want thrill, control, power, and a taste of motorsport in every gear shift. This is more than a car. This is Honda's pure racing DNA. If you ever get the chance to drive it, trust me, you will never forget the sound, the speed, the grip, or the feeling it puts in your chest.